Hello everyone, this is Kanwarpal Singh Mehra. I made my project on a mobile app where I'm using computer vision to recognize food on a plate. My basic aim was to make an app which can take the images of your food and tell you what you are eating. So basically, I divide my problem into two tasks because I consider that more than 90% of our intakes are coming from our major meals that whenever we are taking our lunch dinner, so we are for sure taking it in a proper manner. So I'm assuming that the first problem in like detecting what we eat is to detect the plate itself. So my first problem goes in the detection of plate itself. In plate detection, in my tutorial, I have provided the full flow of individual steps which lead to the detection of the plates. In this, uh, we are doing like the splitting of the lines. We use uh, the half lines, and these lines are splitted, and then we remove the outliers and uh, the two major subparts of this problem are arc filtering and arc grouping. Arc filtering is like when we basically divide each line on three major points where we have three unique properties. The first property is when the tangent to any arc is not defined. So, and the second thing is when the tangent line is like vertical, and we have the first derivative of the arcs 0. And the third one is when we have the second derivative of arcs is 0. So then we divide the arcs, we split the arcs on such points, and after that we do the grouping of arcs, and we pretend and we observe which proper arc groups represent the dark edges in the image, and that can collectively form a round shape of a plate. Because in this particular case, I did limit our study to the round size of plates only. So this is the first problem where I detect plates. Then this is like the whole set of this is like the whole flow of sets, uh, curve drawing and splitting, optimal arc filtering, curve grouping, ellipse identification. Then food detection itself consists of four no, no, three major steps. The first one is like multiple hypothesis segmentation. uh, in segmentation, we like segment a major image into sub images, and we study each and every pixel. We then we try to extract some useful information from each pixel, that what are the different characteristics uh, each pixel have. So basically we have like 12 channel features. We make 12 feature vectors, and we calculate those 12 feature vectors for each pixel, and we match them, we test them against our training set, and after that we do the classification on each and every pixel. After the classification, we got individual results, then we combine those results, and at the last we make our final decision that this segment belongs to this image, this class of image which we have in our training set. So this is how we eventually get what food is present in the plate. This is the structure, like I can show you here. This is my input image. I do segmentation on it. Then I go for feature extraction. I extract two types of features: global features and local features. Global features, like they are taking the image on its own, so taking into consideration every global feature in it, and the local features are mostly like counting on the neighbors of each pixel. So we take these two features and individual feature channel classification. In the individual feature channel classification, we match these feature vectors to our training data set. We match each and every pixel on 12 feature channels, and the late fusion of the decisions is like when we fuse each of those 12 decisions into one class. So if segmentation improves, like here we have some hypothesis scores which tells us how much percentage we are getting similar to the training data set. If in it is like iterative process, if every time we improve our score, then we again try to extract some features, and when we just cross a predefined threshold value, then it gives us the output to the screen of the app that these are the food items which one is consuming. So this is how uh, I propose that this problem should be tackled down. These are the references that I used. I used basically two papers. That's it. Thank you so much.